Welcome back to Place for Expert Tool Reviews. If you're a woodworking enthusiast or a professional looking for the best cordless biscuit joiner, you've landed on the right video. A biscuit joiner is an essential tool for making strong and precise joints in woodworking. But with so many options on the market, how do you know which one is truly the best for 2025? That's exactly what we're going to uncover today. We've researched, tested, and compared 5 of the best plate joiners that offer precision, durability, and ease of use. Whether you're a DIYer or a seasoned carpenter, this review will help you make an informed decision. Stay tuned because we're covering DeWALT DW682K Heavy-Duty Plate Joiner Kit, AOBEN Biscuit Cutter Plate Joiner, WEN 8.5 amp Plate and Biscuit Joiner, VonHaus 8.5 amp Wood Biscuit Plate Joiner, and Makita 6 amp Corded Plate Joiner. Make sure you watch until the end because we'll be revealing the best overall pick. And don't forget to check the description box and the pinned comment for direct links to each product so you can grab the best deal before they sell out. Now let's dive into the reviews. DeWALT DW682K Heavy Duty Plate Joiner Kit. The DeWALT DW682K is a powerhouse when it comes to biscuit joinery. With a 6.5 amp motor that delivers 10,000 revolutions per minute, this tool is designed for smooth and accurate cuts, ensuring flawless wood joints. One of its standout features is the dual rack and pinion fence system, which keeps the blade and fence parallel for ultimate precision. The integrated dust collection system helps keep your workspace clean, while the heavy-duty aluminum shoe ensures long-term durability. What sets the DeWALT DW682K apart is its versatile cutting capability. The tool supports number 0, number 10, and number 20 biscuit sizes, allowing for a wide range of woodworking projects. Whether you're creating miter joints, T-joints, or edge-to-edge joints, this biscuit joiner delivers consistent results. It also features an adjustable fence with a 45-degree notch, making it easier to align cuts accurately. Plus, the ergonomic design and soft grip handle reduce hand fatigue, making long projects much more manageable. If you need a tool that delivers flawless cuts and reliability, the DeWALT DW682K is an excellent choice for professionals and serious DIYers alike. AOBEN Biscuit Cutter Plate Joiner. For those looking for a budget-friendly yet high-performing biscuit joiner, the AOBEN Biscuit Cutter Plate Joiner is a fantastic option. It comes with an 8.5 amp motor, providing enough power for both softwood and hardwood applications. This motor ensures clean, precise cuts with minimal tear-out, which is crucial for achieving professional-grade results. The tool offers 3 adjustable fence positions for precise cuts, allowing you to work on various project types with ease. The quick depth adjustment lets you switch between biscuit sizes seamlessly. Unlike some cheaper models, the AOBEN biscuit cutter is equipped with a solid metal fence that stays locked in place, preventing misalignment. Another impressive feature is the included dust extraction system, which connects to most standard vacuum hoses to keep your workspace clean. One of the best things about this joiner is its ergonomic design and lightweight construction. Weighing just under 7 pounds, it's comfortable to handle, making it ideal for extended use. Additionally, it includes a comprehensive starter kit with a selection of biscuits, so you can get started immediately. If you're a DIYer or a beginner looking for a solid tool without breaking the bank, the AOBEN Biscuit Cutter is worth considering. WEN 8.5 amp Plate and Biscuit Joiner. The WEN 8.5 amp Plate and Biscuit Joiner is known for its affordability, precision, and ease of use. Equipped with a powerful motor, it provides clean and consistent cuts for both amateur and professional woodworkers. The adjustable fence ensures you can make flush, miter, and edge-to-edge joints effortlessly. A major advantage of this model is its depth selection knob, allowing for size number 0, number 10, and number 20 biscuits without readjustments. The sturdy construction and lightweight design make it an ideal choice for anyone looking to enhance their woodworking efficiency without investing in an expensive high-end tool. The anti-slip handle provides a comfortable grip, reducing strain during extended work sessions. Plus, the WEN joiner features a dust collection port to keep sawdust under control. If you're searching for an affordable yet highly functional biscuit joiner, the WEN 8.5 amp model is a fantastic choice. VonHaus 8.5 amp Wood Biscuit Plate Joiner. If you're looking for an all-around reliable and budget-conscious biscuit joiner, the VonHaus 8.5 amp Wood Biscuit Plate Joiner delivers excellent performance at a reasonable price. This model features a high-powered motor, adjustable depth settings, and a sturdy fence for precise cuts. The anti-slip handle and lightweight frame enhance maneuverability, making it a great tool for both home and professional workshops. The dust extraction port helps maintain a clean workspace, and the included dust bag efficiently collects debris. This joiner also offers preset depth settings for quick adjustments, making it perfect for users who need speed and accuracy. The VonHaus plate joiner is a great entry-level biscuit joiner that balances affordability and quality. Makita 6-amp corded plate joiner. Makita is a well-known name in power tools, and the Makita 6-amp corded plate joiner does not disappoint. This model is designed for high-precision woodworking, featuring a cast aluminum pivot fence that adjusts easily for angled cuts. The rack and pinion vertical fence system ensures superior accuracy, while the 6 depth settings allow for seamless biscuit insertion. The powerful 6-amp motor delivers high RPM for smooth, accurate cuts. Whether you're working on furniture, cabinetry, or flooring, the Makita plate joiner is an excellent investment for serious woodworkers. The high-quality build ensures durability, while the precision cutting technology makes it stand out as one of the top options in 2025. So there you have it. These are the top 5 best cordless biscuit joiners for 2025. Each of these tools brings something unique to the table, whether it's affordability, precision, or durability. If you're looking for the best overall option, the DeWALT DW682K stands out as the most powerful and precise, making it the perfect choice for professionals. However, if you're on a budget, the AOBEN biscuit cutter offers a great balance of affordability and performance. Now it's your turn. Which one of these biscuit joiners do you think is the best? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to check the description box and the pinned comment for direct product links to grab the best deals. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more expert tool reviews. Stay tuned for more in-depth comparisons, and we'll see you in the next video.